it is cold out there. Temperatures still below average, Charlie, so calling it unseasonably cold, and that's going to be the name of the game as we go right into the afternoon. So make sure you do bundle up as you head out and about for today. Yes, now I know you're like, oh, I don't want to take that big coat and lug it around. Well, maybe you can just make that dash into the store and then dash back out, but it is going to be a bummer if you have to make that long walk to the store. So just think about that, because I'm just going to show you the temperatures and you dress accordingly. That temperature coming in right around 26 degrees now in Towson. It's 22 degrees right now in Clarksville. This is your actual temperature. What you see is what you're getting this morning. As we go into the afternoon, the winds might pick up a bit out of the north at about 5 to 10. So it'll be breezy, not windy, but still, when temperatures are in the 20s and in the 30s, you don't want anything. And that's exactly what we're going to be seeing as we go through the day. Maryland's most powerful radar is nice and dry right now. We will stay that way as we go through the day as well, so no need for the rain gear. In terms of temperatures, 40 degrees, that's the high.